Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. We put a 2.5-inch Rough Country Series 2 lift on it, some 20 by 10 Xtreme Mudder 311 wheels with a 0mm offset and some 1.5-inch wheel spacers, and some 35 1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires. If you want more information on these tires and wheels, click the box somewhere around here and we will give you all of the information on that wheel matchup. Now real quick, this 2.5-inch Series 2 lift kit by Rough Country, I absolutely love it. It retains all of your factory suspension. The only thing that it does is it has a track bar relocation bracket in the rear, and everything else is factory. What it allows you to do is keep your factory shocks, your factory springs, your factory sway bars. And it adds spacers on top of the springs, and then it has shock extensions to help compensate for that 2.5 inches of lift. What I love about this lift is that you can put it on, figure out if you like the lifted Jeep lifestyle, and then if you don't, you still have all of your factory parts and you just take it down to factory ride height. Absolutely love it. I don't have very many tips for you except make sure that you have a drill bit to drill a hole for your track bar relocation bracket. And then for the rear track bar, when you go to reattach it, you're probably gonna have a little bit of an issue seeing that the rear axle has shifted. Make sure, one, that you connect the track bar before you do your shocks and struts. Two, I would say have another jack and or a heavy duty ratchet strap to be able to lift and lower the axle, to manipulate it to get it back into that position to reconnect the track bar. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you're looking at this Jeep and you're saying, Michael, I want a purple Jeep just like that, where can I buy one? Go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and you can scroll through and look at all of the vehicles that are currently for sale on dealers' lots that have been lifted already. The idea is that you can go call the dealer and then buy it today. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, wheels, fender flares, running boards, lift kits, lights, anything like that, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.